What's up, YouTube? Jeffrey here, Raz-Barry Construction. Today we have a flooring removal job and about 700 square foot of Thinset to grind up also. So we got the work trailer here, dump trailer somewhere over there, and we'll just be showing you the process of how we do it and pretty much get it done. Okay, so right here you see the homeowner. There's multiple different styles of tile in this house. That's the master. Going into the master bath. Just wood tile. You got other wood tile. You have different ceramic tile in there for the kitchen. And here we are working on the floor. I'm running a segmented cup wheel, grinding up the Thinset. Ollie is over in the bathroom chipping up the tile. He's running a Milwaukee 1 3/4 SDS Max. Tile didn't come up too bad. Thinset, it was hit or miss. Some spots on the floor it was really soft and grinded up easy. Other spots it was extremely hard. Even for the PCD, it took a little bit to chew up that Thinset. All right, so getting some of this tile up, probably about halfway through. Take you in, show you what we got going on. Trying to get most of it up first and get it loaded here in the dump trailer so we can make our run to the dumps and get it all knocked out. So a lot of this ceramic tile over here. It's coming up, not too bad. Not the easiest one I've done, but definitely not the hardest. So already got this over here and done so the customer could get some stuff moved. And this area is done. Once we get the tile up, we'll switch to grinding up the Thinset, get that coating up, and we'll be ready for tile going down. So out here on the water today.
That.
Probably have to yoke it forward.
It's fine. Yeah, you gotta yoke it.
Let me get his license plate. One time I had
Get it, bro.
All right, I got some live action right here. Who thinks we can get it in? Oh! 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 Almost. Oh! Woo! Man, how about that? There you go. This monster is about to get to work. We're gonna put some PCDs with scraper blades on there and get to work chewing up all this Thinset. Tile came up decent. So I got a little bit more tile to chip up, and then I'm gonna be hitting the edges with the edge grinder. I may use a PCD, I may use a seg blade, not real sure. We got the air scrubber running. A little bit of Thinset here, a little bit here. All this Thinset. Front of the door, they had double tile, tile laid on tile. I don't really recommend it. The tile on top came up pretty much by hand, so this is a little bit left we have to chip up and into the bathroom. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it and get this stuff knocked out. And here's the final product. Got all the Thinset up. Floor definitely is uneven, as you see right there. That was a sunken living room that was poured with concrete. We did the best we could on that edge. Whoever does the tile, they're definitely going to have to float it out. But the customer was extremely happy, and another job done.